Social change, its impact on health. Is social change affect health status? Is social change cause the diseases? What are the environmental risk factors due to social change? Who most impacted to environmental changes? What are the methods to manage the environmental change? Positive changes can be promote health. Negative changes shall be affect health. Industrialization, impact on environmental changes, which directly affect on health status of people. Health. Physical health. Positive or desirable changes promote physical health. Negative or undesirable changes causes stress and depression, which is cause root of other diseases. Mental health. Good changes in the society promote mental hygiene. Unpredictable changes causes mental illness such as stress, depression, etc. Social health. People do not accept the unexpected social changes and oppose the change, which leads to social disability. Diseases, communicable diseases. Negative changes in the individual life leads to stress and reduce the immunity power, which cause opportunistic infections. Non-communicable diseases, unexpected changes in individual life, which leads to stress and depression, which is cause root of neuroendocrine disorders, including cardiovascular diseases and diabetes, etc. Environmental health. Negative changes in environment affect environmental health, which directly impact on human. Environmental risk. According to WHO, how the environment impact on our health. People are expected to risk factors in their homes, workplaces, communities through air pollution, including indoors and outdoors, inadequate water and sanitation and hygiene, chemicals and biological agents, radiation, ultraviolet and ionizing radiations, community noise, occupational risk, agricultural practices including pesticide use, water and water reuse, then built environments including housing and roads, then climate change. Top 10 causes of death from the environment. 8.2 million out of 12.6 million death caused by environment are due to non-communicable diseases. First, stroke. Second, ischemic heart diseases. Third, unintentional injuries. Fourth, cancers. Fifth, chronic respiratory diseases. Sixth, diarrheal diseases. Seventh, respiratory infections. Eighth, neonatal conditions. Ninth, malaria. 10th, intentional injuries. Who most impacted by the environment? Environmental impact on health are uneven across age and mostly affected the poor. Low and middle income countries bear the greater share of environmental diseases. Men and women. Children under 5 years and adults between 50 to 75 years old are most affected by the environment. Nearly 4.9 million deaths in adults, 1.7 million deaths in children due to environmental impact. Methods to manage the environmental change. We can improve our environment to improve our health. These win-win strategies are fundamental to achieving the sustainable development goals. First, apply low carbon strategies in energy, generations, housing and the industry. Second, use more active and public transportation. Third, introduce clean fuels for cooking, heating and lighting and clean technologies. Fourth, reduce occupational exposures and improve working conditions. Fifth, increase across to safe water and adequate sanitation and promote and hand washing. Sixth, change consumption patterns to lower the use of harmful chemicals, minimize waste production and save energy. Seventh one, implement interventions that can increase sun protective behavior. Eighth one, pass smoking bans to reduce exposure to second-hand tobacco smoke. Ninth one, always use a health in all policies, approaches to create healthier environment and prevent diseases. Let's all work together. A healthier environment for our health. Thank you. Have a nice day.